In today's video, we're taking a look at subscription ideas for physical services businesses that are more than just monthly visits. So what if your landscaping, painting, or cleaning business could generate monthly income even without you working? In this video, I'll show you 6 simple subscription models you can steal and how you can turn your business into a cash flow flywheel. The smartest businesses, from Amazon to your local pest control guy, get paid before they do the work. They collect cash up front and then use it to fund growth and to reinvest to create leverage. That's float. And it's the secret to turning any physical service into a scalable, semi-passive business that grows like clockwork. So if you're ready to grow your business, then keep watching. Number one is service as a subscription or maintenance as a service. The strategic play here is you pre-sell seasonal or annual packages before peak season, but delay the labor. This creates the float, and this allows you to fund ads or staffing ahead of demand. The reason this is so powerful is because most trades get stuck in that cash lag. They get paid after the job or in draws and don't get all the money upfront until they're finished. This flips that by banking up cash flow before delivery, adding predictability, peace of mind, and a massive hedge against unforeseen events. Here's a few quick scalable examples. These were off the top of the head, but of course you can get the idea when I list the examples for each of these subscription models that we're going to take a look at. Number two is the consumables model. The strategic play here is you can turn low cost recurring needs into a branded delivery experience, not just the soap restock, but an excuse to stay in the home and upsell. The reason this is so powerful is because there's no labor required other than delivery, which you can train someone to simply be your delivery person and have them highly trained on upsells, which becomes that much easier because they're already in the household. This delivery keeps you not only top of mind, but it builds loyalty, and as a bonus, you get margin on the physical goods. Again, a few scalable examples. Number three is the peace of mind or the insurance model. The strategic play here is you sell a monthly subscription that guarantees protection, priority, or rapid response if needed, similar to how insurance works. The reason this is so powerful is because most people won't even use the service, but they're happy to pay for the option that comes with knowing that if they need it, it's there. That's float plus margin. Again, some scalable examples. Model number four is status and access plays. This is the no extra labor needed, and a lot of people are happy to pay for the status or the prestige of feeling like they're part of something exclusive. The strategic play here is you charge for early access, priority bookings, and better time slots, but you don't promise more work. The reason this is powerful is because for zero extra cost, you're just structured scheduling. You get paid for giving away nothing but positioning and convenience. Again, some scalable examples. And finally, number five is data and monitoring add-ons. This is a digital and physical hybrid, and the strategic play here is you install cheap sensors or photo check-ins, then charge monthly to review the data and recommend services, or you can auto-schedule when the threshold hits. The reason this is powerful is because you install something once and then you get paid every single month for insights, not labor. Again, some scalable examples. And number six, finally, is the DIY plus assisted coaching layer. This is like the coaching and consulting model, and basically the strategic play here is you teach clients to do minor things themselves via paid monthly plan, videos, audio tools, live calls, that sort of thing, then upsell the big work when they realize it's actually harder than it looks. The reason this is powerful is because there's no labor required unless you want to fulfill, of course, other than recording the content, which has an added benefit of being used in other marketing materials. So you only have to create it once and it continues to fulfill for you again and again. You're selling education plus tools, which is really high margin and a great authority builder. Again, some scalable examples. So most physical businesses work harder to make more money, but the smart ones build models that pay month after month after month, even when they're not working. These subscription ideas aren't just about money. They're about leverage, cash flow, and freedom. So if you like this sort of content and you want to see more of it, or if you want to join our 1000X Accelerator, where we teach concepts like this in far greater detail and we help you implement them into your business, then check out the link below this video. Otherwise, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.